Welcome. Sixth Standard Science, Chapter 8, A Journey Through States of Water. Question answer. Textbook name is Curiosity, Part 1, as per 2025-2026 Karnataka State Board Syllabus. 1 marks question. Question number 1. What is the process called? When water changes into water vapor. Answer is evaporation. Question number 2. Which process is responsible for the formation of dewdrops on grass in the morning? Answer condensation. Question number 3. In which state of matter does water have a fixed shape? Answer solid state, ice. Question number 4. Name the process by which ice changes into water. Answer melting. Question number 5. What is the continuous circulation of water between land, ocean, and atmosphere called? Answer water cycle. 2 marks questions. Question number 1. Why do wet clothes dry faster on a hot, windy day than on a cold, humid day? Answer on a hot, windy day, the temperature is high and air movement is more. Why? Which increases the rate of evaporation. On a cold, humid day, evaporation is slower, so clothes dry slowly. Question number 2. Why do water droplets appear on the outer surface of a glass filled with cold water? Answer. Water vapor present in the air condenses when it comes in contact with the cold surface of the glass, forming water droplets. Question number 3. Differentiate between the spreading behavior of water and water vapor. Answer. Water spreads only on the surface where it is poured, while the water vapor spreads in all directions and fills the entire space available. Question number 4. Why does water stored in an earthen pot or matka become cool? Answer. Water seeps through the tiny pores of earthen pot and evaporates. This evaporation causes cooling of the water inside. Question number 5. Write two differences between ice and water. Answer. Ice has a fixed shape while water takes the shape of its container. Ice does not flow, whereas water can flow. 5 marks question. Question number 1. Explain with examples how water changes from one state to another. Draw a neat diagram. Answer. Solid to liquid. Melting. Ice melts into water on heating. Liquid to gas. Evaporation. Water boils or evaporates into water vapor. Gas to liquid. Condensation. Water vapor condenses into droplets on a cold surface. Liquid to solid. Freezing. Water turns into ice in the freezer. These changes are reversible. The diagram for this is solid melting into liquid and solid to gas is gas to solid is freezing. Solid to liquid is a melting. Gas to liquid is condensation. Question number 2. What is evaporation? State any four factors that affect the rate of evaporation with examples. Answer. Evaporation is the process of conversion of water into water vapor at any temperature. Factors affecting evaporation. One is temperature. Higher temperature to faster evaporation. Clothes dry faster in sunlight. 2. Surface area. Larger surface, faster evaporation. Water on plate evaporates faster than in the bottle cap. 3. Wind speed. More wind, faster evaporation. Fan helps sweat to evaporate. 4. Humidity. Low humidity, faster evaporation. Clothes dry slower on rainy days. Question number 3. Describe the water cycle with the help of label diagram. The water cycle is a continuous circulation of water in nature. Water from oceans, rivers, and lakes evaporates due to heat. Water vapor rises, cools, and condenses to form clouds. Clouds become heavy, and water falls as rain, snow, or hail precipitation. Rainwater flows back into rivers, lakes, and oceans. Groundwater is also replenished. This cycle maintains the balance of water on Earth. evaporation, condensation, precipitation, collection again. Question number 4. Compare the properties of ice, water vapor in terms of shape, flow, and ability to spread. Property ice, water, and water vapor. Shape, fixed shape, ice, and water, no fixed shape, takes the shape of container. Water vapor, no fixed shape. Ability to flow, ice does not flow, water flows easily. Gas, water vapor spreads in all directions. Ability to spread, ice does not spread, water spreads on surface, spreads to fill the entire space. Question number 5. How can schools and students contribute to water conservation and awareness in their communities? Schools play a vital role by teaching water conservation through lessons and activities, organizing awareness rallies, poster making, and surveys, encouraging students to practice water saving habits at home, involving students in rainwater harvesting projects on campus. This builds responsibility and connects learning to real life action. Fill in the blanks. 1. Evaporation is a process where water changes from a liquid to a dash due to heat, liquid to a gas. Second, during condensation, water vapor cools down and forms tiny dash in the sky. Answer droplets. Third one, when clouds become heavy, they release water in the form of answer is precipitation. Question number 4. Rainwater flows into rivers, lakes, and oceans. This stage is called dash. Answer collection. Fifth, the sun plays a key role in starting the water cycle by heating up dash. Answer water bodies. Multiple choice questions. Question number 1. Water droplets seen on the outer surface of cold gas are due to option A freezing, option B melting, option C condensation, option D evaporation. Answer. Yes. What is the answer? Answer is option C condensation. Question number 2. Which of the following will increase the rate of evaporation? Option A, low temperature. Option B, high humidity. Option C, high wind speed. Option D, small surface area. Answer. Guess what is the answer? Answer is option C, high wind speed. Question number 3. Ice is different from water because option A, ice has no shape but water has a shape. Option B, ice flows but water does not flow. Option C, ice has a fixed shape, but water takes the shape of the container. Option D, both are different substances. What is the answer? Answer is option C. Ice has a fixed shape, thus water takes the shape of the container. Question number 4. The continuous circulation of water in nature is called A. Condensation cycle, B. Evaporation cycle, C. Rainfall cycle, D. Water cycle. What is the answer? Answer is D. Water cycle. Question number 5. On which type of day will clothes dry the fastest? Option A, cold and windy day. Option B, hot and sunny day. Option C, rainy and humid day. Option D, cloudy and humid day. Answer is guess. Any guesses? Answer is B, hot and sunny day. True or false? Question number 1. Evaporation of water takes place only when water is heated. Answer false. Evaporation also takes place at room temperature. Question number 2. Ice and water are two different substances. False. They are same substance in different states. Question number 3. Condensation is a process of changing water vapor into liquid water. 2. Question number 4. Water stored in an earthen pot becomes cool because of evaporation. Answer is true. Question number 5. In the gaseous state, water vapor spreads to fill the entire space available. True. Match the following. Column A, column B. 1. Ice. It matches with solid state of water. And second one, evaporation matches with option A, water vapor. Third one is condensation. Third one, condensation matches with changes of vapor into liquid. Option 4, water cycle. Option E, circulation of water in nature. Then fifth one is porous pot. C, cools water in an earthen pot. Let us enhance our learning. 1. These are the questions from textbook. Which of the following best describes condensation? 1. The conservation of water into its vapor state. Second, the process of water changing from a liquid into gaseous state. Third one, the formation of clouds from tiny water droplets. Fourth, the conversion of the water vapor into its liquid state. Answer is option 4, the conversion of water vapor into its liquid state. Condensation occurs when water vapor cools and turns back into liquid, forming droplets, often seen as cloud or dew. Second question, identify in which of the given processes evaporation is very important. 1. Coloring with option A crayons, option B watercolor, option C acrylic colors, option D pencil colors. The answer is B watercolors because water evaporates from the paint, helping it to dry on paper. Second is writing on a paper with option A pencil, option B ink pen, option C ballpoint pen. Answer is B ink pen. Ink contains a liquid that evaporates after writing and allowing it to dry. Third question. We see green colored plastic grass at many places these days. Space around natural grass feels cooler than the space around the plastic grass. Can you find out why? Natural grass contains water and undergoes evap- evapotranspiration, a process where water evaporates from the leaves and the soil and cooling the surrounding air. Plastic grass does not hold water or support evaporation, so it absorbs and radiates heat, making the area warmer. Question number 4. Give examples of liquids other than water that evaporate. Answer. Alcohol, perfume, nail polish remover, acetone, petrol, kerosene. These liquids evaporate quickly, especially when exposed to air and heat. Fifth one, fans move air around, creating a cooling sensation. It might seem strange to use a fan to dry wet clothes since fans usually make things cooler, not warmer. Normally, when water evaporates, it requires heat, not cold air. What do you think about it? Answer. Fans increase air movement, which helps carry away water vapor from the surface of wet clothes. This speeds up evaporation, even if the air is cool. Evaporation needs heat, and the clothes absorb it from the surroundings. The fan doesn't provide heat, but it helps remove the moisture faster. Question number 6. Usually, when sludge is removed from drains, it is left in heaps next to the drain for 3 4 days. Afterward, it is transported to a garden or a field where it can be used as manure. This approach reduces transportation cost of the sludge and enhances the safety of the individuals handling it. Reflect upon it and explain how. Leaving sludge near the drain for a few days allows it to dry naturally through evaporation, reducing its weight and volume. This lowers transportation costs because dry sludge is lighter. It also improves safety for workers as dry sludge is less slippery, less smelly, and easier to handle than wet sludge. When reused as manure, it supports eco-friendly farming and waste recycling. Seventh question. Observe the activities in your house for a day. Identify the activities that involve evaporation. How does understanding the process of evaporation help us in our daily activities? Activities involving evaporation at home, drying clothes, boiling water, sweating and cooling of the body, using perfumes or sanitizers, cooking, example making tea or curry. Why understanding evaporation helps us dry clothes faster by choosing sunny or breezy spots, guides us in saving water while cooking, explains how fans cool us by speeding up wet evaporation, encourages smart use of resources like fuel and water. Here's one. How is water present in the solid state in nature? Water exists as a solid in nature in the form of ice caps and glaciers found in polar regions and mountains, snow during winter or at high altitude, hailstones during certain storms, frost on cool mornings. These forms play a key role in Earth's climate and water storage. Ninth one, reflect on the statement. Water is our responsibility before it is our right. Share your thoughts. This statement reminds us that we must protect and conserve water before demanding access to it. Water is a shared resource, and careless use affects everyone. Practicing responsible habits like fixing leaks, harvesting rainwater, and avoiding pollution shows respect for nature and others. Rights come with duties, especially when it comes to something as vital as water. 10th question. The seat of a two-wheeler parked on a sunny day has become very hot. How can you cool it down? Cooling a hot two-wheeler seat. To cool down a hot seat, cover it with a wet cloth. Evaporation will absorb heat and cool the surface. Use the light-colored cloth or towel to reflect sunlight. Park in the shade or use a seat cover to prevent heating. This uses the principle of evaporative cooling, just like how sweating cools our body. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, and save the playlist. Thank you very much. Bye bye.